Hi Darren, you look busy today. What are you up to?
Hey Brian, yeah, I'm about to finish my last assignment. After that, I can finally relax.
Nice. So, what are you going to do this week?
Well, on Saturday, I am going to visit my cousin in Jakarta. We haven't met for months. And for Sunday, I will probably stay at home and take a rest. How about you?
That sounds great. As for me, I am going to join photography workshop. I've been wanting to learn about the night photography.
Oh wow, that's cool. Where's the workshop gonna be?
It will be held at the City Art Center near the river park. It starts at 9 a.m. I am really looking forward to it.
I see, you've always been into photography. By the way, are you bringing your new camera?
Of course, I just got it last week and I'm about to test it for the first time during the workshop.
Nice. After your workshop, do you have any plans for the evening?
Hmm, I think I will hang out with some friends. We're planning to dinner at the rooftop cafe. You should join us.
That sounds fun. If I'm not too tired from my trip, I will definitely join.
Deal. So you're about to finishing your assignment now, right?
Yeah, just a few more minutes, and after that, I'm gonna take a long nap.
Haha, you deserve it. Alright, then good luck to finishing your work and enjoy your weekend trip. Bye.
Thanks, Brian. You too. Have fun with your photography workshop and your brand new camera.